Are you uploading videos but struggling to get views?
The secret isn't just great content, it's SEO. And today, I'll show you how to use AI tools to boost your YouTube SEO so your videos rank higher and reach more people. Whether you're creating in English, Urdu, or both, these strategies will help you grow faster. I created a new channel kindly. A request to all of you, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Section 1. AI for keyword research. Step 1 is keywords. Keywords tell YouTube what your video is about. Instead of guessing, use AI tools like ChatGPT or TubeBuddy AI. For example, if I ask AI tools for YouTube creators, it suggests long-tail keywords like best free AI tools for YouTube 2026 or AI for YouTube SEO beginners. These are more specific and easier to rank for. Now, if you're targeting Urdu-speaking audiences, you can generate bilingual keywords. For instance, YouTube Kli AI tools alongside English keywords. This way, your video shows up for both global and regional viewers. Section 2. AI for titles and descriptions. 2 to 3 min. Next, let's talk about titles and descriptions. AI can help you craft titles that grab attention while staying SEO friendly, instead of a plain title like AI tools. AI might suggest top 5 free AI tools for YouTube creators in 2026. Notice how it's specific, includes the year, and targets creators. For descriptions, AI can generate keyword-rich summaries. Example, in this video, I share the best free AI tools for YouTube creators in 2026. Learn how to optimize your workflow, boost SEO, and grow your channel. Always make sure your description feels natural, not stuffed with keywords. AI helps you strike that balance. Tags are still useful for AI tools can generate a list of relevant tags in seconds. For example, AI tools, YouTube, SEO, free AI software, Urdu tutorials, Hindi tutorials. Adding bilingual tags ensures your video reaches both English and Urdu Hindi audiences. This is especially powerful if you're building a global channel with local roots. Finally, thumbnails. A thumbnail is the first thing viewers see, and AI can help you design eye-catching ones. Tools like Canva, AI, or Midjourney can generate creative thumbnail ideas. For example, bold text like "Boost your SEO with AI" over a clean background. Remember, keep your branding consistent. Use the same colors, fonts, and logo across all thumbnails, so your channel looks professional and recognizable. So, to recap, AI can help you with keyword research, titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails. By using these strategies, you'll save time, improve your SEO, and grow your channel faster. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Tech and AI Tutorials for more tips on using AI to create and grow your YouTube channel. And don't forget to check out the Urdu version of this video if you want localized insights. See you in the next one.